I know that storytelling are good actually because it can shape you in a vibe, like you being on different universe, and as human, us know the origin of things. We have the mind and cognition, we have the creativity to make other na mag-dive sa iba-ibang emotional, emotional state. We can make magical stories. That is all good, but for me, I'm not believing few magical things, like, because it's reality, and a magic don't exist only on books. But doesn't mean I dislike entertainment. I dislike imagining magical things. Imagining magical things are great also, in a way na it engage us, it shifts my moods, at at na-engage yung idea natin, yung creativity natin, yung artistic expression, yung vibe natin nagkakaroon ng ibang atmosphere, at yung usapan na pupunta natin sa iba-ibang klase ng mga theory, iba-ibang mga paniniwala, iba-ibang mga experiences. There's an infinite amount of those things. Iba-ibang paraan ng pagkukwento, iba-ibang paraan ng horrors, iba-ibang paraan ng documentaries, at iba-ibang paraan ng entertainment. And everyone can create their own entertainment. That's why it's put me on idea na why not I create something engaging, like something unique, a story made by me, by my unique approach on real things, just to just to make you dive on my creative mind, juggling ng emotion na gusto kong iparamdam sa inyo. That's why I'm planning na sa mga susunod kong video ay magkwento ako ng mga magagandang bagay na ipuput kayo sa experience, nadadaling kayo sa mga sitwasyon na talagang creative, at talagang mapupunta ka sa mga lugar na yon. So by the way, wala pa akong maisip na ikukwento, pero I like the idea of having a good stories, good lores, and there's an emotion of magic, emotion of horror, emotion of disgust, emotion of anger. You know, will put you in emotional roller coaster. I like the I like the idea of being a creator, being creator of all these artistic expressions. Pwede tayong maging creator ng lahat ng ma-imagine natin, lahat ng pwede natin gawin. At itong ginagawa ko, nagbibideo ako dahil, accessible ako sa internet, at accessible din naman ako sa YouTube. Pero naboboring na ako mag-YouTube eh. And then, naisip ko mag-video na lang, and then, what if magkwento ako? And then, expecting na may manood. Hindi naman sa paraang gusto ko may manood. Gusto ko lang panoorin yung mga video ko na ginawa na mayroong interesting na mga kinukwento ako, Really like to, to share my unique stories too. And to be part of lore, to be part of imagination, to be part of creative things. Anyway, ginawa ko lang tong video na to for realization na pwede ata akong maging story maker, pwede akong magparamdam sa inyo ng kakaibang emotional roller coaster. And then, to visualize na what if magkwento ako ng mga nakakatakot na kwento o masayang kwento o comedy or something, romance. Kasi maraming may gusto ng mga bagay na yan kasi entertainment. At nakaboring din naman minsan, kaya why not na mag-produce tayo ng mga ganong content. So yun lang, di ko alam kung mapaproduce ko yung content. Pag may naisip ako at pag may nag-pop na idea sa utak ko, so try natin magkwentuhan sa susunod na video. Thanks, like, comment, at subscribe, and see you to my next video. Hanggang dito lang to kasi wala pa naman akong maisip. So bye!